In this tutorial, we'll take a quick look at sending an email with eDirect Plus. In eDirect Plus, you can, of course, send HTML emails, and throughout the course of building an HTML email, you may want to test what it's looking like. Certainly you want to test it before you send it out in production. So just to send a quick email to yourself from the eFORMz composer, you'll first want to flip over to the eDirect Plus tab in the project window, and you'll see that it's blank over here, and you'll right click and select Add Output and Email, and we're on our way. To this email we will right click, and first we're going to select Add Body, and right click Add Body and select Add Content and Generated, and for the format we'll want to select HTML. Go ahead and select OK, and let's right click that content and select Add Form, and we will choose the confirmation form. That's our HTML form that we made. Select OK, and there you go. Now if you wanted to send an attachment, of course you could right click Email and select Add Attachment, Generate Content or File Content. That is used primarily for sending PDF files, for example. So there are a variety of methods to sending information. You could also check content that is constant, and this would be for sending text. So you could do a constant text value or from a variable. So there are a couple of ways to send different things, but this is the standard way to send HTML generated content. And next we're going to want to right click the email icon and select Add Provider. There are two options here. You have Java Mail, which is what we're going to select. It's perfect for testing. You use your own host or any kind of email host that you have access to send yourself an email. eDirect Plus Agent is used when you need more advanced utilities such as click tracking and response tracking of any kind. And so we're just going to select Java Mail though for this example. Here you'll give your host, and I'll just do a fake one, mail.sample.com. That's safe enough. If you have a from email variable, you can select that. I don't in this particular project. I'm just going to use customer service at minisoft.com. That works well enough. Again, constant email. Usually this is going to be a variable though, and I do have a variable for that, the email to variable. And that's all that's required to send an email, but it's usually a good idea to include a subject. You can enter a subject just as a constant value, but in this example we created a subject, and if we select it from the drop-down menu, there it is, the subject variable, and there you go. We're ready to send. So let's select OK. We have our provider, we have our content. If I had put a real host in, this email would actually send. But to send it, you just go to the main menu and select Run and Process with eDirect Plus. And once you select that, the email will show up to the particular email address that you want. For testing purposes, I would, of course, enter your email address in the To field, so you're sending it just to yourself, and send it to multiple addresses if you can, just to see how it looks in different email clients, and that way you'll have a good sense of what your email looks like.